Hello and welcome to Skyrise. In this video, we will explore the future of artificial intelligence. Over the past few decades, AI has made tremendous strides and is now being used in a wide variety of industries and applications. But what does the future hold for this exciting and rapidly evolving technology? Let's take a look. First, it's important to understand that AI is not a single technology, but rather a broad term that encompasses many different technologies and approaches. Some of the key areas where AI is likely to have a big impact in the future include healthcare. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling doctors to more quickly and accurately diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and even recommend personalized treatment plans. Transportation. Self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles are already starting to become a reality, and it's likely that we'll see more and more of these on the roads in the coming years. AI could also be used to optimize traffic flow and reduce accidents. Education. AI could be used to personalize learning and adapt to the needs and learning styles of individual students. It could also be used to grade exams and assignments, freeing up teachers to focus on other tasks. Manufacturing. AI could be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of manufacturing processes, including by identifying defects and bottlenecks in real time. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are already being used to handle customer inquiries and complaints, and it's likely that we'll see more of these in the future. While it's impossible to predict the exact direction that AI will take in the future, it's clear that it has the potential to transform many different industries and aspects of our lives. As with any new technology, it's important to carefully consider the ethical implications of AI and make sure that it is used in a responsible and fair way. If you'd like to go deeper on the ethical concerns regarding AI, check out our video on the ethics of AI. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in AI and would like to see more short videos on the subject, please like this video and subscribe to our channel or check out our website using the link in the description.